How to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. For now, I already have installed WhatsApp. Furthermore, I'll show you how to do it. Let's open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Sign into your particular account and head towards the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap search bar at top of the screen. Type in WhatsApp and tap on the search icon from the keyboard. Then you will get WhatsApp Messenger application. Next to it, there will be the install button. Tap on it. Depending upon your network connection, it will take a few time to download. And once it is downloaded and installed, it will appear in this way on your home screen. You can simply tap on it and simply interact with different peoples on WhatsApp. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.